We are very pleased to train at the Airbus Training Center because of the high level of commitment with our requirements. Also for us it's very important that here we can train to our pilots with a high level of realism related to the aircraft system options. Thank you.
In December 2020, despite the worldwide pandemic and the social outbreak here in Chile, we performed the entry into service of Airbus Chile Training Center. Since we've been observing every single day the gratitude and also the satisfaction of our main anchored customer, Sky Airline. And on top of that, we've been able to develop new business opportunities, as for example a B2C offer that is currently welcomed with a huge interest by the Chilean market. So we are really looking forward to having you visiting us here in Chile. See you soon!